In this video, I am going to show you how to create Windows 11 local account without Microsoft email. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Accounts, scroll down, click on Other Users, click on Add Account, click on I don't have this personal sign-in information, click on Add User without Microsoft account, type the username. I am typing this and enter a password, re-enter password. Now scroll down the security question 2. Now security question 3. You have to choose your answer at your own. Click on next. The account has been added. Click on the drop down menu and click on change account type. By default, the user is a standard user. You can change the type as administrator. Okay, now click on OK. That's it. This is the easiest way to create local account on Windows 11 without Microsoft email.